In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TeuxDeux on mobile. When you open TeuxDeux on mobile, you'll see your to-do list for the day. Pull down to add items to the top of the list, or tap the plus sign, or anywhere below the list to add items to the bottom. Just tap on a task to edit its text, and make sure to hit save. And when you're done with it, just check it off to mark it complete, or swipe left to delete it altogether. If you need more time on something, you can swipe right on a task to put it off till tomorrow. You can drag and drop to rearrange the tasks on a list, and if you need to move it to a different date, just drag it along that bottom ticker. If you need to go further out, just swipe up from there and you can see the full calendar view and navigate to other dates as well. Tap Today to jump back to today's list at any point. From the bottom bar, you can also tap Someday to open up your menu of Someday lists, and this is a place to organize things that aren't necessarily time-bound. And finally, to get to your settings, tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Tap the check mark if you make any changes to make sure you save them. And that's how you use TeuxDeux on mobile. Make sure to check out our web tutorial next to see TeuxDeux on desktop in action.